Good afternoon, YouTubers. Today is June 29, 2020. As you can see, this is Hamilton, Ohio. It's about 6:50. This gust for noon. I'm estimating they were about 50 miles an hour or more. Blew some tree limbs laying in the front yard. Saw a couple of big limbs down on a tree as we up here. My antenna, no rain. It's kind of bending over, but it'll be okay. I built that into it, and you can see the trees are blowing. No, it was about 100 degrees, and I bet you it's cooled off probably 20 degrees in the last half an hour. The wind's starting to die down. We'll see some now. 3 clouds up there. They're moving pretty good. There come the fire department. I hear sirens. Damage to some lines or something somewhere. I'm sure the power's out somewhere in this town. But 15 minutes ago it was sunny and hot, and now it's you can see, look at the wind blow. Blowing pretty hard. Another big gust. I'm waiting for it to rain. Yeah, you can see ugly looking clouds. I'm fine. Go in the house. You bugged me. Where'd that come from? Well, go get it.